Okay, so welcome to part 2. There were a few key components I missed out in the previous video. I'm sort of remembering stuff off the top of my head, so forgive me if I might forget a few things, but it's basically what I just remembered. So next part is hard drives. Hard drives are quite easily sourced from most places. You can buy them online, you can find them. I've actually got a trick for you. If you want to find a hard drive, there's a trick you can do. If you find an old Skybox, being the boxes you watch TV on, if you find an old one, a HD one, I mean, you can source a free hard drive out of it if you're willing to take it apart. If you have a spare one, if you're willing to take it apart, you've got a free hard drive sitting there. This is one I actually pulled out of the Skybox ages ago. It's a 300GB Western Digital, plenty enough to install an OS and some other stuff. So yeah. The American equivalent would probably be a TiVo box. You could probably still hard drive that, but I think they're only 40GB. So yeah, just decide what you want to do with that. And yeah, next thing is RAM. If you have the junkyard PC, as we call these, the RAM inside them probably won't be enough. Usually it's a very low density and low gigabyte rating, so it's like 1 gig. It's not going to get you anywhere. So you need something like probably 4 or 8 gig. That'll get you past 5 in most cases. If you know what RAM looks like, where is it? RAM looks like this. That's what RAM looks like. It's just a stick. This is a 240 pin stick, so that fits this big bitch here. So yeah. Other things. Peripherals. Now peripherals are quite a simple thing. If you're doing gaming, you probably want something a bit more prestige. Something like a Logitech gaming set probably, or Corsair maybe. But if you're just doing it for productivity and basically working on stuff, just a standard mouse keyboard setup will do fine. Just go on or also look any way you want to find that. Anything else I'm missing? Internet. Internet can be achieved by two things. One being just the onboard Ethernet on the motherboard. That's it. That's if you're willing to run cables everywhere, which most people aren't willing to do. So the alternative is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi cards are pretty cheap now. You can get them for about €30. It'll work fine in the case you put it in. So yeah, that'll be perfect for your application if you want to use that. And let's talk about a completely other route you can go with this whole idea of building a computer from scratch and just modifying it. There is another route you can go. If you find basically an industrial estate and you find a lot of computers, usually there's something like either Core 2s or quad cores, and they're usually from different manufacturers, but they're usually from Dell. If you can find something like this XPS 420, you're in business, because there's some very decent stuff on board already. You can just upgrade it from there. Pretty much other things, it's just easy. If you're trying to become a YouTube gamer, you're going to need a lot more stuff, e.g. a mic, some headphones, trying to be nice down here, and probably some recording software. Recording software is quite easy to come by: Fraps, Bandicam, etc. Digstory. So that's basically it. It's just finding the parts you need at a relatively cheap price, which is quite easy. So just have a look around. If you can find stuff for free, get it. If you can't, just don't worry about it. There are other ways to source parts, like going on scrap runs, which I have actually done before. It's quite fun actually. So just experiment, see what you want to do. So it's completely down to the user on what they want to do. And this is the route I took in my build. Just a really slick, nice. Actually, I'll bring you in for a zoom in shot. So it's really janky, I'm sorry. Put it around here. Okay. See this nice slick computer, very slick, very nice. this is the kind of look I went for mine. So yeah, you can basically go anywhere with it, or you can just go with the stock computers. These stock ones aren't bad, but they leave a lot to be desired, so just figure out what you want to do. That's basically it. The next thing is sound. Sound is easy, just a couple of speakers. And you're good. PC speakers work fine, or you can plug them directly into your headphones. You'll be good. Just gonna say, tools. Tools are very easy. You just need a basic set of tools. Phillips has a screwdriver, side cutters, pliers, and some zip ties. That's basically it for a computer kit. So yeah, and OS or operating system. Your operating system you've got two options: Mac OS, or if you've got three options, you could go with Linux, or you could go with Windows. Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. So yeah, still choice really. So that's gonna be it for part 2, and tune in next time when we're next doing. I don't really know, but we'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.